Hello, my name is Eduardo and I am here with part 2 of this tutorial about making a Superman app. And as you can see here, this is the final app for this episode. Okay, so you can drag the features and if you check, the features are now like transparent. We are not having the skin tone around the features of the face. So to do that, we are going to fix a little bit the images, the original images that we exported to App Inventor, and we are going to fix them in GIMP. So we open the image that we exported and we can create, we have to create a mask. We are going to use here the mask, the color mask tool. Okay, so you just select the skin tone and we are going to grow the mask that we created, just to make sure that it's eliminating this kind of tone and then just not having like an halo around it. Then we just use delete, okay, or we can use the eraser as you prefer. Then we go here, so you have to make sure you create a new layer. Okay, if not, this is not going to be transparent. Okay, so you are going to create a new layer. Okay, selecting this thing, we select just the thing that is colored. We cut and we paste it as a new layer, and then we eliminate the second layer. Okay, so we select the background, and we have it here like in a transparent mode. We just export it and that's it. You override and then it's ready to upload it again to App Inventor. I'm gonna do the same for the mouth. Okay, just if you didn't get it, so you just edit. Okay, then you just select with the color, the skin tone, you growth. Okay, then you invert, select this, cut, paste as a new layer, and that's it. And eliminate the background. Then you just export it. Okay, remember you have to export it to overwrite in the same directory. I just make some fixes over there, and that's it. And we do the same for all the images. Okay, well, now to continue with this, okay, so we do the same. It's not necessary to repeat the steps. Now we upload them to App Inventor. Of course you have to override them. You just say yes, no problem. And as you can see, these are just transparent. We are just having these features and not the skin tone, and it's better. Okay, so you don't have to fix anything else, okay, for the size, because we did it in the previous tutorial. Now we're going to create here a new sprite. Okay, this is very important. So, and I will show you how to do it really fast. Okay, so we create like a dummy sprite. Okay, that is like a holder, sprite holder, I'm going to call it. I'm using here a procedure that I checked from Scott Ferguson. Okay, I hope I pronounce it well. Well, and I'm going to give you here the link to check the video. Okay, to have a very nice explanation about this. I'm not going to do it like that because I'm not an expert, but you can check his video, and it's very well explained. Okay, and we are doing this to avoid something that when you drag and you have multiple sprites that you can drag, and you drag one over another, so they just get confused and all of them get together. So to avoid that thing, we are doing this. We are using this kind of procedures, okay, from Scott. Okay, so please check his video. Okay, it is very clear and useful. Well, here now, if the placeholder, okay, when you touch it, well, basically the idea here is that when you are like touching any sprite, you can drag it. Okay, so and when you touch it, you touch down. Okay, you set this the sprite holder that we created, this kind of dummy file, with the current sprite. Okay, so in this case it's like current mouth sprite. Okay, and now check this. In this part I just do something when you move. Okay, so it's kind of an offset. Okay, when you drag, it is not very nice when you are dragging and you have the sprite under your finger, because you cannot see where you are going to place it. Okay, very clear. So using this kind of thing in the move to current X, you are incrementing here the values a little bit in that 10%. So you are going to have like an offset. Okay, so you are going to see the sprite, for example, a little bit above your finger. Okay, well, and then it is just very simple. We just duplicate all the things and we just change the current sprite. Okay, so for example here you are dragging and you check if this sprite holder is nose. Okay, so you are able to drag this thing and not the other ones. So, and I guess it's pretty simple just for this tutorial. Okay, so if you don't understand this part, please check Scott's video again. Okay, I really recommend, and also he has very nice videos. But in this part, for this video, I guess this is the basic idea. It's just to have this app, these features that you can drag, and you can see that it's quite a little bit funny. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Okay, for the next tutorial I will show you how to save some positions, okay, or some pre-made faces or funny faces, and we're going to use some sprites to do that, okay, like buttons. Okay, so please, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please like it, share it, and if you have any doubts or comments, please let me know. Okay, so see you next time in the next tutorial of Superman app.